Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 6 on PC Game Pass. First, ensure your computer meets the game's specific system requirements for the best experience. Next, you'll need an active subscription to PC Game Pass or Xbox Game Pass Ultimate. Install the Xbox app on your Windows device, then simply search for Call of Duty Black Ops 6 within the application. This process will get you ready to dive into the action quickly. Once you've found Call of Duty Black Ops 6, click the Install button to begin the download. You can select your preferred installation drive and location on your PC. The game will then download and install, which may take some time depending on your internet speed. After installation is complete, you can launch Black Ops 6 directly from the Xbox app and start playing. PC Game Pass offers more than just Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Your subscription grants you access to hundreds of high-quality games, including new Xbox Game Studios titles on their release day. You also receive exclusive member discounts and special perks. Furthermore, your Game Pass subscription includes online multiplayer, allowing you to connect and play with friends. If you encounter any issues, first verify your internet connection for stable gameplay. Always ensure your graphics drivers are updated to their latest version for optimal performance. If problems persist, try restarting the Xbox app or your entire PC. For more specific concerns, consult the game's official support pages, which often provide solutions to common technical difficulties.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.